All right, so I am trying to solve the error codes on my DT466e, specifically error code 164-4 and 164-10. I believe it is the ICP sensor, which is located, it's kind of hard to see, but it's located in there. I got a new sensor right here. More expensive than I thought it was going to be, but I'm gonna replace that and see how it goes, if it fixes it. It's right in there. It's kind of dark. Well, I wish I brought a flashlight so I could show you guys better, but I got the old sensor out. What happened with it, which is why we think we're pretty sure this was the issue, is we took the plug off the top, the electrical plug where, you know, it gets all the information from it, and there was oil in it, and this is a high pressure sensor with the oil, so like it's under like 4,000 psi. I don't know what it's under, but really high pressure. And I guess, you know, after 20 years, this thing's 20 years old, and I'm pretty confident it's the original one because it's the same. It was the whole thing was blue in the same color. Most of the paint got ripped off, and I was trying to get this out. I was able to get it out pretty simply with just some pliers here. It would have been easier if I could have used this, but just because of the location of it down in here, I was unable to use that tool. Again, this is the DT466e, and it's just right over here on the edge. It's behind this big plug here. Don't think it's that one. Let's see if I can get. It's literally right in there. It's just very hard to see. I wish videos could show light. I'll take a picture of it and just add it to this video so you can see what it looks like in there, because then I can, you know, do a nice little flash. But yeah, so I turned the engine on, and all my error codes are gone. I'm not going to be able to test drive it until probably like 2 days from now to really see, but you know, started it up and there's no error code, so at the very least the sensor itself is not showing too low a voltage or anything like that. So yeah, we'll see how it goes.